How to make money so fast that it feel like you're doing one of those YYXXAA cheat code, you know? Yeah. So, you ever do something so simple, so repeatable, it feel as though you're cheating. Something that I've done in the past was I had this bill for a game called Elden, and essentially all you did in that bill was click one button right here. It's just the skill for the weapon, and it does everything for you. It heal you, it hit the boss like the damn truck, and it stagger the boss just from one button. And all you gotta do is just go in the boss, buff yourself up, click one button, and this is how I feel in real life right now. Every single time I check Stripe now, and this isn't like some crypto pump or some affiliate scam. None of that. This is real and this is recurring. And all I did when I started was I stopped selling my time and I started selling the result. So, let me tell you a story about how everything started. 5 months ago, I was working hard. I was getting nothing. I tried everything from cold calling, Facebook group, LinkedIn spam, Instagram outreach, even Reddit outreach. But the moment that I sat down, just sat down, nothing, no screen or nothing, just a piece of paper, something to record on, and I create one simple offer and automate the process to show it to people, my entire life changed. 5K a month became normal, and then it came to 10K, 20K, all of that became normal. I literally am making. Uh, so we have 5K a month recurring right now, and every single month we would get 2 to 3 commission deals. These are the money move right here. These commission deals are values over millions and millions of dollars, and every single time that a broker closes them, they get about 2 to 300 grand, and we get a share of that, a pretty large share of that. So that is where I make a lot of my money from. This is why I pick to work with brokers. Okay, so back to the point. And from creating this whole system and creating this whole offer, I was working less and less every day. Literally, from 6 hours to create this whole thing to 3 to 4 and to 2. Like right now, all I'm doing in the morning is just creating content. Like how awesome is that? Literally, wake up, create content, make sure your offer is running 2 or 3 hours every day, and then boom, you you have your whole system working for you. So stop selling how hard you work. Nobody cares. Nobody cares. You can't say, "Oh, look, I've been doing this for 2 to 3 years, and I would just work on this for you 24/7. Just pay me, please, pay me." Start selling what changes after they pay you. Less stress, more time with the family, more deals, more free time to travel. Uh, they can even own a yacht, a house. They can always go and to that planned trip they want to do with their friends. If they want that transformation, because most people do, a lot of people would just want a free time, uh, more respect, or uh, more health, happiness, respect, and health. Those are the big transformation that most people that will pay for you. They will pay 5, 10x more for that perceived values. So every single offer that I make now answer 4 questions. Okay, what's the dream outcome are they chasing for? How much do they believe that I'll deliver it? How fast does it happen? and how easy do I make it. If you stack these lever, your offer sell itself. Like literally, if they have big result, big dream outcome, and they can have 100% that you deliver it, and they can get it by the next minute or the next second, and they don't even have to use it. It literally use it for themselves. That's so easy. You have those for offer. You don't need to use your sales skill. Just give them an offer. And, oh my god, no way this works. And as long as they're 100% confidence in you, they'll pay for it. Okay. So, like I said, business broker are essentially sitting in a gold rush right now. But most are, I'm pissed. Most have just spent like mining with a damn spoon. Like literally, there are millions and billions of baby boomer retiring, and how much businesses are going out of business right now. Like I don't know that statistic, but there is a lot of businesses that are just shutting down because the owner is getting too old and no one is buying. That's why you see big creator popping up. Alex Mosey, he owned acquisition.com that buy businesses. Cody Sanchez, the whole content is about buying businesses. It's Cody Sanchez, and a lot more content creator are buying businesses. But guess what? Business brokers still somehow not making a lot of money because they're they're mining with a damn spoon. So what I have my system give them a drill, a damn massive drill that literally have a pre-built offer for the seller, a a niche authority, so you can be on your own niche in your own little location, and you can make so much money from just owning one location that is crazy, and it's all automated. And it add values to both the seller and the brokers because you never have to cold call again, and you just wake up to email uh, that said, "Hey, I saw your stuff," or "Hey, I'm interested in selling. Can we talk?" Okay. So if you're a broker and you want to make money so fast that feel illegal, without ad, without burnout, then you need my auto seller system. Okay. Check out the course. Click the link below. But other than that, later.